Hello guys, so today we will learn how to draw two y-axis in Origin. So just open the Origin, open the data file, choose the format and open. I have already opened the file. So this file have one y-axis and two y-axis. Sorry, one x-axis and two y-axis. Just left click and select, then choose this option where 2y is appearing. There are multiple options. Just click. Yeah. So your graph is ready. The red one is the C column and the black one is B column. So you can double click on the line and you can change the range from 0 to, yeah. And similarly, you can click here. You can adjust the range 0 to 1000. Click OK. Yeah, so graph is ready. Similarly, you can change the captions, change the language styles, anything you want, you can change. So this is how we can draw the graph with two y-axis in Origin. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you very much.